Bueno, estamos con Man de Facebook Start. Nos va a platicar un poquito en inglés de lo que es el programa, cómo funciona y de los planes quizá que tienen para hacer en Latinoamérica. Yo soy parte del programa, la verdad les recomiendo un montón apuntarse. La página es esta de aquí, facebookstart.com. Pueden ahí aplicar. Y hay dos tipos de programas, uno que es para empresas más grandes y uno para startups que lanzan, ¿no? So, Man, can you talk us about the program and how it works?
Sure. So the Facebook Start program is a program for startups. It's a great opportunity for young companies to build a relationship with Facebook and our platform partnerships team. So the way that the program works is we partner with a number of third-party services and tools and providers such as MailChimp, Adobe, Salesforce desks, amongst a number of others, to offer up to $60,000 in free tools and services. But in addition to that, you also get a chance to connect with folks on the Facebook team for one-on-one mentorship opportunities and a growing community of FB Start members as well.
Okay, what are your plans for Latin America?
So Latin America is definitely a market that we're really excited about. We've done a few events internationally in Brazil, in Colombia, and we're always looking to continue to expand both worldwide in Latin America and throughout the world.
Okay, thank you so much. Glad to see you there and see you in Latin America in
Great.
some place. Thank you so much.